Today's song is going to be Imagine by John Lennon. So I've been getting a few comments that you guys are liking the karaoke videos. So along with the regular tutorials, I'm going to try and start releasing more karaoke videos. I've changed the format slightly, so let me know in the comments below what you think of the new format, and if you have any suggestions that would make it more useful for you. Did you like this video? Well, then you better hit the subscribe button right now so you get access to all my latest content right when I upload it on your YouTube homepage. Once you've done that, click on this video or that video and launch your next guitar adventure.